Hi everyone, Rob here from Bigtank, and in today's super short vlog I want you all to start thinking Hollywood when it comes to your business video production. Now by that I don't mean throwing lavish wrap parties every time you film something, or getting a limo to take you everywhere, or giving long-winded speeches to a very bored audience about your creative vision for your film. When I say I want you to think Hollywood, I mean the reason that Hollywood exists, and that is to make money. In other words, Hollywood has a commercial reason to exist. And for us in business, whilst we might want to entertain, teach, engage and create positive actions in people, the main reason we do video in business is to make money, either directly or indirectly, or to make companies better. Now, if Hollywood movies didn't make billions of dollars every year, Hollywood would not exist. Yes, it creates amazing stories, makes us laugh, cry and can raise the heart rate, but if it wasn't commercially successful, the whole thing would just fade away. So when you're creating content for your business, think about the commercial results that you want to happen as a result of doing video. Again, you might want to show people your brand, make people laugh, or teach them how to use a product your business produces, but the overarching reason will be to create genuine engagement that will lead to positive commercial results. In other words, make you money. And often the more money you spend on the production, the more money your content can make for your business. Now, by being focused on the commercial outcomes that you need from your content, it will help you shape the whole process from concept to creation to delivery. Now, as ever, if you have any questions for us about content creation strategy, do ask away in the comments, as we love to hear from you. And if you did find this video useful, please do share it with your network. Thanks so much for watching, and wherever you are, if you do happen to throw a post-shoot wrap party, if you could send a limo to pick me up from Bigtank Towers, I could do with an airing. Thanks for watching, take care.